In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a link in an Instagram post. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to prepare your post on desktop, grab your link, and place it neatly into your caption so people can copy and use it. First, open Instagram in your browser and head to your profile page. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you want to post from. Using Instagram on a computer makes this process a bit easier because copying and pasting links is more straightforward. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option that says Create. Click on that. This is where you can choose what kind of content you want to upload, and for this tutorial, we're focusing on a regular feed post. Next, click on Post. Instagram will now prompt you to choose the media you want to upload. You'll see a button that says Select from Computer. Click that, and your File Explorer will open. From your device, select the image you want to use for this post. Take a moment to pick a picture that clearly relates to the link you'll be sharing, so your audience understands what to expect when they copy it. Once your image loads in Instagram, you'll have the option to crop it. Adjust the frame so the important part of your image is visible, then click. Next to move on. On the next screen, you can choose a filter or adjust the image settings if you like. This step is optional, but it's a good time to make your post visually appealing. When you're happy with how it looks, click Next again. Before you write your caption, open a new tab or window and go to the place where your link is stored. This might be your website, an online store, a blog post, or any other page you want people to visit. Highlight the full URL and copy it. Now, go back to Instagram. In the post creation window, locate the caption field. Click inside that box and paste your link. You can also add a short message around it, like a description or a call to action to explain what the link is for. Keep in mind that in regular Instagram posts, links aren't clickable, so you want to make sure the URL is clear and easy to copy. When everything looks good, scroll down and click on Share. Instagram will upload your post with the link included in the caption, ready for your audience to see and use.